Section 2.3, problem 45. A sum of $95,000 is split between two investments, one paying 6% and the other 9%. If the total yearly interest amounted to $7,290, how much was invested at 9%? Okay, so let's start by setting up our variables. So we're going to let X be the amount invested at 6%. And we're going to let Y be the amount invested at 9%. Now, they're telling us that 95% is split between the two investments. That means that X plus Y equals 95,000. Okay, so that would be our first equation. Then our second equation will be on the interest. So we know that X is going to be the amount invested at 6%. Therefore, it's going to be 6% times X plus Y is going to be the amount invested at 9%. Therefore, 9% times Y should equal the total yearly interest amounted to $7,290. Now, we're gonna get the first equation and we're gonna solve for one of the variables. So let's go ahead and solve for X. For that, we're gonna bring the Y over to the other side. So we have that X equals 95,000 minus Y. Now we're going to use substitution. We're going to use the value of the X and we're going to substitute it in the second equation. So let's write it down. So before substituting, let's convert the percentages into decimals. So 6% equals 0.06 and 9% equals 0.09. Now let's go ahead and substitute. So that's the only thing that changes so far. So now we have to multiply it 0.06 times everything inside the parentheses. So 0.06 times 95,000 is 5,700, and 0.06 times negative Y is negative 0.06Y. Now 0.09 times Y is 0.09Y. All that equals 7,290. Now let's combine like terms. So negative 0.06 plus 0.09 will give us positive 0.03Y equals 7,290. Now let me bring it up here. So we have now we need to isolate the Y. For that we have to get rid of the 5,700. So let's subtract it from both sides. So that'll give us 1,590. Now the last step will be dividing by 0.03. That'll be 1,590 divided by 0.03 is 53,000. Okay, so now let's go back to the question and see what they're asking us for. They're asking us how much was invested at 9%, and 9% it's the variable Y, which is the one we found out. Therefore, that means that the amount invested at 9% is $53,000.